Does one of you want a photo?
Yes.
Yeah, you? Let's go, let's do it. Let's go on the other side.
You're not gonna rob me, right?
No, I'm not. I'm the one with the gear.
Yeah.
Well guys, okay, we're gonna go shoot something amazing is happening outside. I gotta show you, this is great. We're gonna live this experience together. I'm gonna take my A7R3 7200 or 85, 7200, 200. More protection, 7200, the GoPro so that we get it POV style. Look at that, look what's happening. This is amazing. Get ready, bam. Ooh yeah, it's snowing. Whoa, guys, I'm so pumped. You have no clue. I've been waiting for that for such a long time. We're gonna get like awesome photos. Woo, it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna have you like on my chest right now. It's gonna be a better experience. I'm gonna try to speak a little bit to you. We'll see if it works or not. But wow, always get out there. Let's get started. 7200. Let's see what we can do. Whoa, what happened? Alright, that was dangerous. Damn it, I missed it. It just left. Woo! Oh yeah, I love that. Ooh, that's so good. It's gonna be so dope. We're gonna go to a big crossing. I think it's gonna be better. But even just that car, low angle. One thing tricky with the snow is that it's gonna focus on the wrong side every time. I can't really tell exactly what I'm doing, to be honest, just because with the snow sometimes it's kind of hard. Oh, that guy on the other side with his hat and the light from the bus stop could be fun. Alright, let's see. Come on, damn it, cars, no, damn it, yes. Nice. Did you see that lady with the yellow? That could look cool. Yellow, super contrasting with the background. Let's see where she crosses. Could look dope. All right, we need more people with nice colors. It's gonna make it easier for me. Nope. Oh, she's gonna cross. I might go try to get her. Let's see. Yeah, maybe when that lady passes by. Anyone wants to eat? Let's try to see if we can get Liam on the phone. I've been trying to do a video with him for a while. Yeah, Liam! What's up, man? Do you want to say hi to everyone?
Hey, dude, what's going on, actually?
There we go. Hey, what's up, guys?
Yo, what's up, man? How are ya?
Good. I was just saying, everyone's like, we should collab, and I'm like, yeah, we should, but it's a little difficult. We're a little bit opposite sides right now.
Yeah. Dude, is it snowing there?
Yeah, it's snowing. It snowed.
Far off.
Oh, yeah.
That would be so good.
No!
Super excited.
No, it is not.
That's awesome, man. Enjoy your shoot.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you somewhere.
We'll meet up.
Yes, we will. See you, Limon. See you, everyone. Bye.
See you later, guys.
All right, let's continue shooting. Woohoo! All right, I think we can get better stuff over there. Gosh, damn it! This guy totally ruined my shot. But the colors are like way off. Really want to get to shoot with like Liam and Hayden and Mike and Limon, but up, subject coming. Let's get ready. I think I got it. Yee. Oh shoot, am I out of focus? Oh, I'm out of focus. Might have her here. Ah, it's okay. What about this guy? All the snow falling? Yeah. Nice. Alright, why don't we go this way? Ooh, that's really cool. If we could get someone over there. Yo guys, what's up? How you doing? Does one of you want a photo?
Yes.
Yeah, you? Let's go, let's do it. Let's go on the other side. Keep your cigarette, it might look cool.
You're not gonna rob me, right?
No, I'm not. I'm the one with the gear.
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
nothing to rob. If you stand in the middle, I think it's gonna look dope.
Hey, wait.
Like right here.
Send me the photo.
Yeah, I'm gonna send you the photo. You give me your Instagram, I'll DM you.
Facts, yeah.
Sounds good? Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got. Bam.
Take the hood off. I got nice hair.
Oh yeah. Do you just get them done?
I'm growing it out for a buzz.
Nice. There we go. Okay, you're looking great. Just look straight into the camera. Bam. Alright, nice. Boom. Can you look towards the light? Awesome. Like, sick. Looks great, bro. And we're gonna try. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try to throw some snow at you at the same time.
Alright.
Don't worry, I'm trying not to hit you, okay?
Alright.
Alright, one hand. Whew, I'm shaky as hell. Let me get that right. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Got some good shots. Look. Bam.
True. I think we gotta go real soon. So
Sounds good. First one. Bam.
Lambert?
Yeah, second one.
Okay.
That's me.
You got a lot of followers.
Yeah, it's for a YouTube video.
Okay.
You're gonna be in the video. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? You wanna say hi to everyone?
What's up?
Cool.
What's good?
Just the one where you're just leaning. We've got like epic light. It's sliding up the snow. Sick. Yeah. It's gonna look dope. And one last, bro. But just here we go. Just as if you were chilling, maybe waiting for a friend or something. There we go. Looking good. Damn, we've got some good light over here. And now just look up a little bit at the light. Perfect. Put your right hand in your pocket, your legs like that, and you just chill. Nice. All right, we've got something here. Looking good, man. Look.
That's decent. I'll show you how we shake hands in Chicago. Go like this.
Yeah.
And then like that.
Like that?
All right.
All right.
It's called dab me up.
Dab me up.
Yeah, dab me up.
Dab me up, man.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, bro.
You got me on Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll say I'm the dude.
You're the dude, man. See what's happening here with the light? We've got like some epic light, and it's kind of reflecting on the snow. Makes it look really good. All right, what else do we got here? That's a one-way street. No one should be able to run over me. Let's get those guys crossing. There was someone, but it was a bit bright. I'm just trying a few stuff. Not sure, I can't really see my screen to be honest, so... Oh my god, this is... What? The cool thing in those situations is that you get the shadows of people in the horizon, which looks really good. It makes it very mysterious. Like what? Oh, that looks cool. There you go, like right in the middle. Look at that. Perfect. Not anymore. Damn, this is really cool. Alright. Got someone asking for money over there. Got some good left with that. Another palace over there. See what we can do here. Love the contrast between like the guy asking for money, people taking selfies. What else do we got here? This guy looked good at the bus stop. Oh, that car looks good. Go by the train station. Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Joe.
Nice to meet you, Joe.
Met at, with us Thai students, like editing thing one day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you were there?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you having some good stuff? What are you shooting with?
Sony the Mark III, the A7 Mark III.
Nice, nice. And the lens?
The G OSS 18 to 105.
Ooh, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah, I got it about a month ago. And
Oh, cool.
I've been obsessed with it.
Really? Nice.
Yeah.
I never tried it.
Yeah.
I like the background over there. That's
Yeah.
nice. See you later,
All right,
man.
take care.
Enjoy. My foreground just went away. See what we can get from it there. Oh, I'm not wide enough. Alright, wrong lens for that shot, guys. Wrong lens. We can still try. Let's try. Up there just to get a shot. Can't really see much. The wind is literally blowing in my face. Woo-hoo. This is Chicago weather, guys. This is normal. Actually, if I want to get that station, it's better from the next one. Oh shoot, I didn't realize my shutter speed was so low. Oh, I like that frame. Gotta do a slow shutter speed. Train coming. There we go. There we go. Ugh, I kind of wish we had someone crossing over there. I mean, we just need basically someone to cross, or we need to put a friend over there. Would be sick. Can we get the other platform? Let's go over there. I think we can get the platform that's behind. All right. Let's say if I shoot slow enough, like 120, 30 to 10, I think we can get something. Just need to wait for the trains. All right, we're still waiting. Come on, choo-choo. 2 hours later. Come on, a little train. There we go. All right, train coming. Composition nailed. Let's go. Alright, let's take a thumbnail. I put a ton of snow on my lens. Let's try to get something interesting. Boom. Should do the trick, right? You guys would click that? Trying to get the glass, there we go, but not the people. Did I get him? I wanted the guy alone. Let's try someone else, red dress. Woo! This is what we're talking about, guys. This is what photography is all about. When the conditions are terrible, that's when you go out. You see, we saw all those photographers. Now it's your time. Get out there, go shoot, and remember, subscribe. Otherwise, I'm gonna send you that snowstorm to you. Bye.